Alright, what's going on everybody? Sergi here, back with another quick video. It's been a couple weeks since I last uploaded a video, so I do apologize about that. But today, I'm sure as you guys can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a review on the Stage 1 tune from Cobb. So basically the Stage 1 tune is a tune for a completely stock WRX or STI. So the only modification I have to my WRX is the nameless performance axle back exhaust, so basically just a muffler delete. That's the only modification I have. So the Stage 1 tune is for a completely stock WRX or STI. Now if you have an intake, then you got to do the Stage 1 plus tune. If you get an intake for your Subaru, then you have to get a tune. These cars are very, very delicate when it comes to modifications, so whenever you do like an engine mod or power mod or anything like that, always make sure you tune your Subaru because they're very sensitive. It's a very reliable car, but once you start to mess with it, then that's when you might run into some issues. So you want to make sure that your car is tuned so that, you know, it stays running well and that you don't run into any problems in the future or anything like that. But right now, before we get started with the review, I want to put out a couple of disclaimers there. So a couple of weeks ago, I uploaded a video of my reaction to this car doing my first ever pull. So basically I got through my 1,000 mile break-in period and I did a video doing my first ever pull in this car, so you guys can see whether this car is actually quick, whether it's actually fast from the factory or not. And to be honest, I was disappointed with how much this car falls on its face after 4,000 RPM. So this car from the factory on the stock tune, it has a lot of low-end power, it has a lot of low-end torque, up to 4,000 RPMs, but after that, this car, it really does not hold its power. It loses its boost. You can feel it lose power as you progress up to the red line, and it just, after 4,000 RPMs, the car really isn't that fun anymore. So I think a lot of people took that video the wrong way, because I love this car, and a lot of people were telling me that the AccessPort fixes the problem, that a simple tune will fix the problem, and obviously I know that, but the whole point of that video was for me to do a reaction on a stock WRX, so you guys can really see whether this car is quick or not. And not everyone is also gonna tune their car, not everyone wants to void their warranty, so that video was for those people out there who are interested in a WRX and aren't looking to do anything to it. Now, as you can see, I got here my AccessPort. I have it mounted on the dashboard. I got this little mount from Best Buy, and I have it mounted right here. I took out this little door here. I have it here in my center storage, whatever, and I took the wires in there. I can show you guys what what it looks like. So kind of just cleaned it up, not having any wires hanging anywhere. But it's always nice to have the AccessPort here so you guys can see you know, how your car is running, whether there's any problems. I literally just have the boost gauge, feedback knock, fine knock, learn, dynamic advanced multiplier, and I have the airflow, the air to fuel ratio or whatever. But anyways, so yeah, basically moral of the story is that the stock tune really sucks. It has a lot of low-end power, so up to 4,000 RPMs, the car is quick, it'll pull, but as far as how linear the power is, it's not the Stage 1 tune makes it a lot more linear. It makes this car a lot more fun to drive, and the Stage 1 tune also helps the car hold its power, hold its boost all the way to redline. So basically, when you're flooring it on the stock tune after 4,000 RPMs, you literally feel the car just begin to lose power, begin to fall, versus with this one, it just keeps on pulling, holding boost until you have to shift that red line. So the Stage 1 tune is really good. It makes the throttle response a lot more linear. You lose that annoying hill assist stuff too. You still have a little bit, but not that much. It's a lot less sensitive, which I actually found the hill assist kind of annoying. But as far as just driving the car, not even just doing pulls, just driving the car, the Stage 1 tune does an amazing job making this car a lot more fun to drive. It actually makes the car easier to drive. On the stock tune, the throttle response is really weird on it, and honestly the stock tune will make you feel like you don't know how to drive stick shift, like it's your first time ever driving stick shift. So it was kind of annoying. But now with the Stage 1 tune, the car is a lot more driver friendly. It's a lot easier to drive. The throttle response is a lot more linear, and it holds its power, it holds its boost as you're going through the power band. So we're on this back road here. You can hear the little pops in the back. So right there, that was a second gear pull, and this car pulls a lot harder now with the tune. This car is so much more fun. I like, if you guys aren't worried about your warranty and you guys are looking to modify your Subaru, AccessPort should be the first thing you guys do, because the AccessPort will let you enjoy the Subaru a lot more. This car comes so ridiculously restricted from the factory. I mean, they restrict this car so much, it's ridiculous. And once you get just the Stage 1 tune, you can just leave your car. If you don't want to do any power mods or anything, just do the Stage 1 tune, and it's gonna make a huge difference. So I'm not planning on doing any power mods anytime soon. Maybe in the future I'll get the itch to want to go faster, but right now the Stage 1 tune has me completely satisfied, and I'm extremely happy with it. I'm extremely happy with the fact that I got the AccessPort. I think it's completely worth it. I'm not sure if you guys can hear the backfires from this exhaust, but this exhaust pops a lot. Damn, that is a huge house. Look at that. So yeah, this exhaust sounds really good. It pops a lot. So for anyone looking to get an exhaust, I recommend checking out one of my previous videos on this exhaust. But anyways, I actually got this AccessPort used. I got it from the AP guys. They're certified. They won't screw you over. All of the AccessPorts that they sell that are used, they're no longer married to any of the previous Subarus that they were on. So and they're certified and everything, so you're okay. You won't be screwed over. I paid $525, I believe, instead of the $650 for a new one. So definitely go check them out if you're not looking to spend. If you're looking to save a couple hundred, like 125 bucks, you'll save. Go check them out. It's theapguys.com. And if you want to just buy a new one, then just go to cobb.com and you guys can get one there, cobbtuning.com or whatever. But anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. The Cobb AccessPort definitely helps a lot. It'll make the car a lot more fun to drive. It'll make this car drive a lot better as well. It'll hold its power better. It'll hold boost better. The Stage 1 tune makes everything so much better. A lot of people have told me to try out the MA Performance Stage 1 tune, so I might look into that soon and do a video on that. But as far as right now, I'm really content. I'm really satisfied with the Cobb Stage 1 tune. And for those of you who are considering or debating whether you should get the AccessPort or not, I'd say go for it. It's worth every penny, and you'll enjoy your Subaru a lot more. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one. Remember to like and subscribe down below, and yeah, peace.